Okay, so here's me and Kai. We're at Hoover Dam. Say hello, Kai.
Hello.
Say, they can't see you. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, so here we go. Friday decided he's gonna stay in the car. But all of a sudden, Friday is now out of the vehicle. Let's see if we can get him. Where'd he go? I lost him. Where is he?
He's literally right behind you.
Oh, there he is. See him with the striped shirt on? He feel bad that we're doing this without him. So now he's coming.
Remember, it's hot out here. It's wearing long jeans.
Kai's making fun of him because he has on long pants. Everybody else has on shorts. So we're at the Hoover Dam. Look at that. Hoover Dam. And there's Friday. What happened, Friday?
I changed my mind.
He's out the car.
I'm to lose some more weight.
Yes, Lordy Jesus.
So this is going to help me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's okay.
All right.
Big Papa has to take care of the family.
So, Kai's way up there. Kai, why are you leaving us? Look, Kai, you can do what he's doing. Take a shortcut. No? All right, so what did you decide Friday?
Why
Are you going to take the ramp?
Yeah, why y'all go the long? I'll go the step.
What?
You can change your mind. How about you do one step?
Yeah, then I'll do the ramp.
Yeah, okay. See, I take the steps every day at work, so kind of used to steps. Friday's not.